This is Jane Doe. She is a breast cancer survivor, but now suffers from a condition called lymphedema. To manage her symptoms, she receives a weekly lymphatic drainage massage from an occupational therapist, and she wears a compression sleeve between appointments. In the US, 1 in 5 breast cancer survivors develop lymphedema. The condition is not isolated to breast cancer patients, but the incidence in this patient group is alarmingly high. In total, lymphedema affects 3 to 5 million Americans and 140 to 200 million patients worldwide. The chronic progressive condition is treatable but not curable, leaving patients with debilitating symptoms that can significantly impair their quality of life. Lymphedema occurs when the lymphatic system is damaged, causing excessive fluid buildup, chronic swelling, and pain. This damage can occur during cancer surgeries or radiation treatment, and typically affects arms and legs, but it can also occur in other areas such as the head, neck, abdomen, and genitals. To alleviate lymphedema symptoms, the primary goal is to stimulate the vessels with pressure in order to move the stagnant fluid. Tara Newberry, an occupational therapist at Carilion Clinic, has been using handheld vibration tools to provide this stimulation. The lymphatic system uses contractions to push lymph through the valves. Vibration treatment has been proven to effectively reduce lymphedema since it creates an external pressure that promotes lymph flow. Tara's vibration tools inspired our new wearable solution for patients. We aimed to promote patient independence with a customizable therapy option for at-home use. Introducing Lymphevibe, a wearable device with embedded vibration motors simulating manual lymphatic drainage. Our device features 16 vibration motors, 8 positioned on the anterior side of the arm and 8 on the posterior. The motors run in specific patterns and intensities modeled after manual drainage techniques. Each motor is housed in a custom silicone pod designed to propagate the vibration further. The pods slip into pockets in the sleeve that closes with adjustable Velcro straps to increase or decrease pressure. The device is controlled via Bluetooth by an app. Medical providers can create a customized treatment regimen on the app for each patient. Patients can access their regimen at home, customize the treatment by turning certain motors off if they're experiencing intense pain or a wound in a specific spot, and they can watch their progress as the device runs. Lymphevibe reduces the need for in-person therapy, making it especially beneficial for rural patients who may have limited access to healthcare services. Other key features include improved patient mobility and comfort, sufficient battery life for 1 day of intermittent use, an easy-to-use user interface, and easy to clean in a wash cycle with the removable electronics. To test the safety of our vibration motors, we gathered data comparing our device to clinically used vibration tools. We made a 3D printed mold to make uniform silicone tissue phantoms. We placed a MetaWear accelerometer in each phantom and varied the vibration motor's intensity and distance from the accelerometer to simulate vibration through muscle tissue. We repeated this process for both the device motors and the clinical tools. MATLAB was used to process the maximum acceleration values and frequency using an FFT analysis. Our final data showed that our motors have acceleration and frequency values comparable to the clinically used tools. We tested the sound frequency to comply with NIOSH's recommended 85 decibel occupational noise limit. We followed the standard procedure IEC 616723 for our setup, and our device values were within the clinical tools range and exposure limits. We are now preparing for a human feasibility study to collect safety and early effectiveness data crucial for FDA approval. Lymphevibe is expected to be a Class 1 medical device with product code ISA for therapeutic electric massagers. Treatment devices currently on the market use pneumatic compression. However, there are no wearable devices using vibration for lymphedema treatment, which points toward the need for more innovation and technology development. The global lymphedema treatment market is projected to grow to $11.58 billion in 2028, at a compound annual growth rate of 5.1%. The key market drivers are attributed to the rise in lymphedema cases, the increasing incidence of breast cancer, and the growth of telehealth services leading to more lymphedema management programs. Lymphevibe is a personalized care option that can be comfortably worn anytime, anywhere. We are committed to creating a customizable solution that improves patients' overall quality of life.